Let's play water guessing.
What is my favorite number?
Your favorite number is 6.
12.
Now it's my turn. What's my
Okay.
favorite animal?
Lion.
Right.
My turn. What is my favorite fruit?
Dragon fruit.
Apple. Oh my god.
Okay.
My turn.
What's my favorite color?
All the colors.
No.
My nose.
My favorite color is white.
No. What is my favorite color again?
Your favorite color is yellow.
Light blue. like light blue.
Okay. What's my favorite food?
Cauliflower.
No.
Now my turn. What is my favorite food?
Your favorite food is pizza.
Cauliflower. And why you don't want to do your house? What is my favorite animal?
Your favorite animal is dog. You like dogs, right?
You say small dog.
Small dogs.
Stop. You said the correct one.
Yes. Great
Now,
job.
one more time, please.
Okay.
What is my favorite season?
Winter and summer.
Correct.
Yeah, great. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.